How to invest in real estate during high interest rates. Most people think high interest rates killed real estate investing. They're actually creating the biggest opportunity in 5 years. I'm about to show you exactly how to make money on property right now when everyone else is sitting on the sidelines. And the strategy that's working best? It's probably not what you think. Welcome back. If you're new here, hit subscribe because we're breaking down exactly how normal people are building wealth through real estate in 2024. Here's what most people think about right now. Mortgage rates are hovering around 7%. That's painful compared to the 2.7% rates from 2021. A $300,000 home costs you an extra $500 a month in payments. That math looks broken. So people say, I'll wait for rates to drop. That's the trap. The rates aren't dropping fast, and while everyone's waiting, property values keep climbing. Rent keeps climbing. And the people who figure out how to invest right now, they're building serious equity. Let me show you 3 ways to actually profit right now. The first move is buying property with other people's capital. You're not doing this alone. Real estate syndications are deals where professional operators buy apartment buildings, office complexes, or commercial properties. They need investors. They sell you shares of the deal. You get paid monthly distributions plus appreciation when they sell in 5 to 7 years. Here's why this works right now. High interest rates have crushed small investors and flippers. But big institutional players? They have access to cheaper capital. They're buying distressed properties at discounts. Then they're fixing them up and running them efficiently. You invest 10 grand or 50 grand. You get 5 to 8% annual cash flow. Plus, when rates drop in 2 or 3 years, they sell that property for way more. You're riding their expertise without touching any renovations or tenant calls at 2 a.m. Companies like Fundrise and Realty Mogul handle this. Minimum investments start at $500 to $1,000. This isn't passive income that appears by magic, but it's passive compared to traditional landlording. Here's the aggressive move for people under 35 with decent income. House hacking means you buy a 2, 3, or 4 unit property. You live in one unit. Tenants rent the other units. Their rent covers your entire mortgage payment. In high interest rate environments, this gets powerful because the spread is real. A 4-plex in Austin might rent out the 3 other units for $1,200 each. That's $3,600 incoming. Your mortgage payment might be $3,200. You're living essentially free while building equity. The interest rates hurt here, but the numbers still work. Your tenant's money is paying your debt. You're building a down payment for property number 2 while living for almost nothing. Yes, you need to qualify for the mortgage. Yes, you need maybe 15 to 20% down. But FHA loans give you down payments starting at 3.5% if you're living there. That's $10,500 down on a $300,000 property. Within 3 years of house hacking, you've built another 50 grand in equity that's now a down payment for deal number 2. The lean, fastest approach? Wholesaling. You find properties that are undervalued. You sign a contract to buy them. Before closing, you sell that contract to an actual buyer for a fee. You never own the property. You make money on the spread. This is perfect right now because high rates mean distressed sellers everywhere. Landlords who can't refinance are selling. House flippers who can't finance construction are selling. You're the middleman who connects them to buyers and makes 3 to 15 grand per deal. You don't need mortgage approval. You don't need the down payment. You need market knowledge, a cash buyer's list, and the hustle to find deals. This works if you're willing to make phone calls and knock on doors. Here's what separates people who win from people who wait. Winners are moving right now while everyone's paralyzed. The interest rate fear is creating deals. It's creating discounts. It's creating opportunity. Pick one. Syndications if you want passive. House hacking if you want aggressive. Wholesaling if you want the lowest barrier to entry. Start learning today. Follow one person in your chosen space. Join one community. Make one offer or investment in the next 30 days. The market is rewarding action. Don't wait for perfect conditions. They're not coming. If this helped you, smash that subscribe button. Comment below which strategy you're going after. I'm dropping real estate content every week to help you build actual wealth. Let's go.